Do you want to turn off the camera sound on your Samsung phone? Because you're annoyed by the loud camera sound while taking photos in this video, I'll show you 2 easy methods to do it. So, let's get started. Method 1. First open up the settings. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Now, scroll down. And find the camera apps. Then, tap on it. After that, tap on Camera Settings. Now, scroll down again. Find the shutter sign. Here it is, simply toggle it off. Method 2. Open the camera app. Then, tap on the settings icon from the top left corner. Scroll down. Find the shutter sound option. Now, simply turn it off. So guys, this is the way to turn off the camera sound on your Samsung phone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to know, ask me in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in.